and you get more energy around the water. Well, this proves it, doesn't it, really?
Yeah, and just to let everybody know, we are videoing. We're not live, obviously, and all our phones are on
Flight mode. So there's nothing that can set that off. But we do feel the energy thicken when there's running water. I think one of my torches lights have gone still.
You're on the wrong light. That's it.
I'll do.
This torch is dying as well.
Oh, God. Okay, well, we don't want to be stuck here with no torch. Okay, so... Okay.